Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Debbie and today I am going to share my July favorites with you guys. I'm going to try to go in some type of order. So the first product is the Cover FX primer. This is the mattifying primer with acne treatment and I really love this. I completely forgot I had this. I love to use this in my T-zone area because it really prevents me from getting oily throughout the day. So if you are very oily, I definitely recommend this if you are in a hunt for a mattifying primer. And I do believe they have this at Ulta. If not, try Sephora, but Sephora definitely has it. It is a really good primer, so definitely try it out. Maybe get a sample and then purchase the full size. But I believe this is the little travel size. So this is a 0.5 fluid ounce. So yeah, definitely check it out. Moving on to foundation, this is the CoverGirl True Blend Foundation, and I have this in the shade Sun Beige. This is actually a really nice foundation. It also comes with a pump, which is nice. Don't mind, it's really dirty, but it is a really good full coverage foundation. I only use this in the summer because I picked it up in a shade or two darker than my skin tone, so I only use this in the summer, but it is really good. I was getting compliments left and right, so it's a really good foundation. If you are wanting to try a new foundation, definitely try it and let me know what you guys think. Alright, so moving on to concealer, you guys know that Too Faced just released a new concealer and it's the Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer. This one, you guys, is amazing. I mean, I love my Tarte Shape Tape, but this one is actually really nice as well. I did a review on it. If you guys want to check it out, I will link it for you guys if you guys want to check it out. But I do own this one, and I own, what's the other one? I own Mocha. So these two have been used throughout the month, and I have to say that they blend out really nicely, and the coverage is just really good. Bronzer, you guys. This one is also from Too Faced, and this is the Chocolate Soleil Matte Bronzer. This is in medium deep, and it smells so good. It smells like chocolate, and I just absolutely love it. I can't get enough of this. I mean, I don't know how much I have left. I mean, I do see that a little bit of the pan around, but I'm definitely going to repurchase this when I run out because it's so good. This brush is the one I use with this one. This is also one of my favorites for the month. This is the Real Techniques contour brush, and this is amazing for cream contouring, powder contouring, bronzing up your face. It doesn't matter. This brush is it, and so inexpensive. I mean, I'm sure you guys have tried Real Techniques, but this brush is totally amazing. Since I'm on brushes, I'm going to talk to you about these two other brushes that I have been using for pretty much a lot of my eye looks. I have been using this one from Morphe. This is the 506 brush. It's this one right here, and it's dirty because I did just use it. But this brush right here is really good. It's nice to like get in the outer corner, the inner corner, and like right into the crease, nicely underneath the lower lash line, which I really use this brush pretty much for this whole eye look, except for the little halo in the middle. But it's really a good brush if you are looking for something like that. Alright, so the other brush I want to talk to you guys about is this one. This is the Sigma Shader Inner Corner E46 brush, and it's this one right here. I really like this brush because I use it for so many things. I use this for the inner corner. I use this actually to carve out my brows, believe it or not. It's a really nice, precise brush. If you haven't tried it, try it with this one. It gets literally like right there. Carve it right out and done. Get a little blending brush like this and just clean it up and you're good to go. Really good. I also like to use this for right here, so like when I'm doing a cut crease or something like that. Since you guys know I just started doing cut creases, so when I do cut creases I like to take this brush and I like to just like literally stick it into my crease and go like that if I messed it up. So it literally is such a precise brush that I can just outline my lid with it. And that's exactly what I did for this halo look. I did take that like pinky red shade and I went over it and carved out and blended it into the crease just like that, and it's amazing. If you guys haven't tried this brush for that, try it out. It works really, really good. Alright, so I did pick these up in the beginning of July. I'm not a big fan of brow pencils, but I did try these from LA Girl. This is the Shady Slim Brow Pencil. I have it in 2 shades. I have it in medium brown and brunette, and they're both pretty much exactly the same. I use both of them, and I have to say, you guys, that I really do like filling my brows in with these pencils. They glide on nicely and they have a little spoolie at the end, which is really, really nice, because I hate having to look for a spoolie. Like, you know, I think I've said this once before in my videos, but it's a really, really good brow pencil, and it's so stinking cheap. Alright, so now I'm going to share with you an eyeliner that I have been really loving. This is from Essence. This is the Super Fine Eyeliner Pen, and it's waterproof. And again, I have a thing with pens, pencils. I didn't like them, but I've been giving them another try, and I actually really like it. This is what it looks like right there. It's super long and it's super black. I really do like this. It literally glides nicely on the eyelid. So yeah, and it's really black. So I mean, and it's waterproof. You're good to go. And this is only $2.99, you guys. You can't beat it. $2.99. LA Girl. Okay, so I also picked up these LA Girl Ultimate Intense Stay Auto lip liners. Love, love, love. I picked up 2. Actually, I think I picked up 3 or 4. They're in my bag. I just don't have them out because I've been using them. This is one. This is Enduring Mauve. And this is the one, actually the one I'm wearing on my lips, but I'm going to swatch it for you guys. It's that one. And this one is Forever Bare. Alright, so this is Enduring Mauve, and this is Forever Bare. It's a very peachy nude. It's a really nice shade. I really love these pencils. All I do is use that. I don't even use like a lipstick or anything. When I use these, I can probably use like a lip balm or a lip gloss if I decide to, but that's as far as I go when I use these lip liners, because they are so good and so pigmented and really, really nice on the lips. Alright, so this one is definitely so many people's favorites, but this one has been my favorite for the past month. And this is the Milani Luminoso blush. And this comes in like, pretty much it's a dome, but mine's already flat. So that just shows you that I use this all the time. It is the perfect shade for every single day, and it's the best blush in my opinion. If you haven't tried it, try it. You will love it, trust me. So as you can see, this one has more of a dome shaped and this one is pretty flat, so you can see which one I reach for the most. This one's actually been used quite a lot as well, so it's a little bit less of a dome, but it gives you a really good amount in these little compacts. So yeah, I really love these baked blushes. Really, really nice, really good consistency, and I just really love the shades. But moving on to ColourPop, this is the Lunch Money Super Shock Cheek Pearlized Highlighter. Yes, and this is what it looks like. So nice, you guys. Look at that. I have been using this highlighter pretty much every single day. I can use this as a base to intensify the powder highlight, or I use it alone, but I do like to use this one a lot. It's really nice, it's creamy, It just glides on really nicely. I'm just going to apply the tip of my nose right now. There you go. Can't have enough highlighter, right? So, I mean, I really have been loving this highlighter right here. It's really nice and very inexpensive as well. ColourPop is a really good brand. I'm sure you guys know that. Alright, so the last product I want to share with you guys are lashes, and they are actually the ones I'm wearing right now. These are the Kiss number 11 lashes, and these, you guys, I can't believe it took me so long to try these. These go with every single look. A really simple look, a glam look, anything. It is the perfect lash, and I just know that I'm going to be using these like crazy. I actually got 2 packs of these because they were buy one get one, half off or something like that. But I was like, you know what, let me just get it because, you know, whatever. And I'm so happy I did, because if I go look for them now, I don't see any of them. I see all these other ones, but not these. So I'm guessing these are like high on demand. People love these, and I'm actually a fan. Like, I really do love these. So alright guys, so this is the end of the video. These are my July favorites. I hope I was able to share some new stuff with you. If not, maybe you guys own some of these products and you just have to dig them out and fall in love with them all over again like I did. So if you enjoyed this video, give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you haven't yet. And I will see you guys on the next one. Bye!